So this actually might be one of my favorite growth hacks of all time, just because of how stupidly simple it is. This is the kind of thing that I tell someone when they're like, give me an example, like what would you consider a growth hack? This is probably as basic as a growth hack gets, and it's the kind of thing that makes you shake your head and wonder just how simple this really is. So I call this the power of you, but I'm sure other people have discovered it, and at this point, I see a lot of companies using this. But when I first found out about this about 3 years ago, it blew my mind as to how such a simple change could have such a profound effect. So this only works on platforms that have a profile page along with a home page that aggregates what's on your profile page, sort of analogous to how Facebook works, where you have your profile and your newsfeed assimilates results from individual profiles and propagates them to the newsfeed. The same way it works on Twitter, Quora to a degree. So this hack only works on platforms like that. But back to the gifting applications that I was running. Before implementing this is what my profile looked like after I sent someone a gift. Let's just imagine this application was sending flying kisses, which was actually an application one of our users created. So before this, my feed story would read, Ankur sent Jamie a flying kiss, with the action link underneath saying send a flying kiss. This is the exact same way it would propagate to everyone's news feeds. It would reach my mom's newsfeed, my ex-girlfriend's newsfeed. They would see the same thing. Ankur sent Jamie a flying kiss, send a flying kiss, which performed okay. I mean, it wasn't a super viral action link because we were tracking that, but I mean, we did get a few clicks, generally curiosity on, what is this application? How does it work? How can I send these random items? Does anything actually get delivered? Blah, blah, blah. But this is when I thought about making a simple tweak and replace the target, which was Jamie in this case, just with the pronoun you, and just see what happens. My intuition at the time was I think the human ego would be pretty powerful, and a lot of people would imagine that the you might actually be talking about them and them specifically. So this is what my profile looked like after. Ankur sent you a flying kiss, which does not change my own behavior towards my profile, but that is also the story that got propagated to everyone's newsfeed. Ankur sent you a flying kiss. And that actually turned out to be really, really effective. My ex-girlfriend would see Ankur sent you a flying kiss, and if she did not fully understand how Facebook worked, which a lot of people did not, or alternatively, if you kind of let your ego take over, you tend to believe that each and every one of these actions that have the word you refers to you and you alone. And it worked amazingly. And this is, it makes sense when you think about it, but at the time, it's the kind of thing that you look at and be like, wow, like that is a stupid growth hack. Like there's no way that should work. But it works. And as of when I last tested it, which might have been a year and a half ago, I haven't tested this lately, but on any platform that propagates stories to the front page, you want to work the word you in somewhere or something to imply that the story is directed personally to the very person reading it. And don't get me wrong, a lot of this has to do with a lack of education and understanding about how Facebook and Twitter works. And as that understanding gets better, this will not work as well. But in the interim, this is just so simple, so stupid. Just test it, do it, and tell me how it works out for you.